Welcome to cabin number 14550 on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. Hello, this is Zoa Henderson with Dreamverse Travel, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of this standard ocean view balcony cabin. Let's start with the bathroom. While this may not be as big as the bathrooms in the suites, it is a pretty decent size, and I love this nice spacious stand-up shower with the rounded glass. Then there's plenty of storage with the countertop and the above and below shelves. I also love that it has the lit up mirror. Then of course you have additional storage on either side of the bed with these closets and shelves, and then inside you also have your safe where you can store your valuables such as your jewelry, wallets, etc. As you can see here, there is plenty of room for sleeping in this ocean view balcony cabin, and I'll talk more about that here in just a second, but I also want to point out that there is a single USB and just regular standard electrical plug on the side of the bed. Take note that I use the singular word as in bed and not beds when it comes to this particular setup, because these two twin beds are split apart from being one entire bed. So there's a lot of different configurations that can happen in this room. And this couch over here is actually a sleeper sofa, and it folds out into another full-size bed. Then you have your vanity and additional storage with the dresser there. And then for those of you who want to do more than just sleep in your room, there's this fantastic balcony out here where you can enjoy beautiful views of the ocean and scenery, as well as even some meals. Personally, we love having coffee in the mornings and pizza in the evenings on a balcony. And just an extra little tidbit, this particular cabin was one that I booked for my clients who had one adult and two teenage girls, and this was their first cruise. And they felt like they really had plenty of room in here and enjoyed this cabin immensely. And there they are, patiently waiting for me to grab this video so that I could share this cabin with all of you. So know that whether you are a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, we can help match you with a cabin that is right for you. To get started planning your Royal Caribbean vacation, visit us on the web at dreamversetravel.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.